If you're an electrician, technician, engineer, or simply love professional diagnostic tools, then you need to check out the TOOLTOP 2-in-1 thermal camera multimeter. This device combines two essential tools into one compact package, helping you diagnose problems faster and more accurately. The built-in thermal camera features a 32 by 32 infrared sensor with a 240 by 240 display, allowing you to instantly visualize temperature differences and identify overheating components, loose electrical connections, overloaded circuits, and insulation issues. It can measure temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 550 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for both residential and industrial applications. The device also functions as a professional 19,999 count true RMS digital multimeter. It supports AC and DC voltage measurements, current testing up to 10 amps, resistance, capacitance, diode testing, continuity checking, and duty cycle measurements. The large 2.8-inch color display makes readings easy to view, while multiple color palettes help highlight thermal variations during inspections. Another useful feature is automatic high and low temperature tracking, along with over-temperature alerts to quickly identify potential problems. The rechargeable battery provides up to 8 hours of operation, and the replaceable 18,650 battery design helps extend the overall lifespan of the device. For professional reporting, thermal images can be transferred to a computer through USB for further analysis using the included software.